Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mr. Opulent here. Now, what I want to do for you in this video is give you guys a free gift. Now, some of you guys might be wondering, why exactly do I want to do that? And the reason I want to do that is because we are creating a new training program called the Inside Scoop, and I want to get feedback on it. So what I'm going to be doing is every single week, I'm going to be releasing new training modules inside of this Inside Scoop training area. And all I want is your feedback. That's it. Literally, all I want is your feedback. And if you feel like it's stuff that's going to help you, if you feel like it's going to be information that's going to help you really scale your business or grow a business or even start your business, then all I ask of you is if you can share it with somebody else and just get them to join, okay? And again, it's going to be completely free. Nothing, there's not going to be no hidden fees in the back end. The Inside Scoop training area is going to be my gift to you just for being somebody that's a loyal subscriber and being somebody that's really been able to be in tune with me, okay? So again, every single week, I'm going to be giving you guys tidbits of value. I'm going to be giving you guys little short clips where I'm going to show you guys stuff that's working for us right now. And I want to really help you without just kind of giving you the BS and giving you guys the complexity that a lot of marketers or a lot of business owners try and teach. I want to give you guys simple, implementable strategies that's working for us and try and make this whole realm of being able to market online something simple that even a child could do, okay? Watch these videos every single week. Stay tuned for that. And it's your boy, Mr. Opulent. I'm going to see you guys on top.